the meter bridge is in balanced state. It means this resistance divided by this resistance is equal to this resistance divided by this resistance. And the wire of meter bridge has a resistance of 0.1 ohm per centimeter. So, resistance per centimeter is equal to 0.1 ohm. It means resistance of any length is equal to length into 0.1, because length is in centimeter and this is ohm per centimeter, so this will come in ohm. Okay, now 40 centimeter. What is the resistance of this one? This we can call it as P and this we call it as Q. So now P is equal to 40 centimeter and per centimeter the resistance is equal to 0.1 centimeter ohm per centimeter. So P is equal to 40 into 0.1 ohm. Same way Q is equal to 60 centimeter into 0.1 centimeter ohm. So is it this much ohm? It is 60 into 0.1 ohm. We got P and Q, and X and Y. Since it is under balance condition, we can say X by 6. This divided by this is equal to this divided by this. That is 40 into 0.1 divided by 60 into 0.1. This cancels, this cancels. Our X is equal to 2 by 3 into 6, 12. This is 2 to 4 ohm. So this we can, X is equal to 4 ohm. Now the given condition, what it is given, now find the value of resistance X. So resistance we have find out is equal to 4 ohm, and current drawn from the battery. See, current is drawn from the battery I. Now what is the resistance of the wire AC? Resistance of wire AC. Resistance of AC. AC length is 100 and into 0.1, because length into resistance per centimeter is equal to 0.1 is equal to 10 ohm. So this is equal to, this can be replaced by 10 ohm. The read-on circuit is like this, and this wire AC drawn like this. This is 4 ohm, this is 6 ohm, and this is 10 ohm, and it is connected with a voltage source with no internal resistance. It means no internal. This is 5 volt. So this and this are in series, is equal to 10 ohm. 10 ohm in parallel with the 10 ohm. So R equivalent is equal to 10. Take, because this also 10, this also 10, both are in parallel. Take any one of this resistance, divide by number of resistance, that is equivalent resistance. So this circuit can be drawn as it can be drawn as 5 volt and 5 ohm, and this is the current flowing. This is the current flowing. This combined became 5 ohm. So what is the current? Current drawn from the battery. Current drawn by this resistor. This resistor by battery is equal to voltage divided by resistance is equal to 5 volt divided by R equivalent is equal to 1 ampere. So we can say the value of resistance X is equal to 4 ohm and current drawn from the battery is equal to 1 ampere, and this is the value of X. Two unknown resistance R and S. Two unknown resistance R and S are connected as shown in the figure. Two unknown resistances R and S are connected as shown in the figure. The balance point is L1 from the point A. See, this is one gap, this is another gap. The balance point for the first one is L1, and this will be 100 minus L1. 100 minus L1, because this will act as a P, resistance P, this will act as a resistance Q. When this slide jockey is moved from here to here, the balance point is obtained here. Now this meter bridge is said to be under balance condition. So now under balance condition, that is R by S is equal to P by Q. That is R by S is equal to P by Q, where P, this resistance is equal to L1 and this is equal to 100 minus L1, because the AC is the length of the wire of the meter bridge, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Now this point we take it as B, so AB in this condition is equal to L1, which is equal to P, and BC is equal to 100 minus L1, which is equal to Q. This is the first condition. So first condition, it can be written as R by S is equal to L1 by 100 minus L1. So this is the first one. Now the second condition, now unknown resistance is connected in parallel to, an unknown resistance is connected in parallel to resistance S. So it means one unknown resistance is connected in parallel. See, we call it as X. This is unknown resistance. Now obviously the point will shift, balance point will shift. So this will become, this is B1, this will become B2. When we move this slide wire here and there, because of this one, the balance point will definitely shift to point B2. So what is this resistance? This resistance, the combined resistance, we call it as S dash, where S dash, because S dash, this and this are in parallel, so is equal to Sx divided by S plus X. Now again the second condition, under balance condition, R divided by S dash, is equal to, now the new length, we can call it as new length. This is earlier, this one, this will call it as L2, this will be now 100, this point will be 100 minus L2. P will be L2 and Q will be 100 minus L2 for the second condition. So R divided by S dash is equal to P divided by Q, is equal to P divided by Q, which is equal to L2 by 100 minus L2. This is the second condition, where S dash is equal to Sx divided by, we will take it on the upper side, s at x is equal to L2 by 100 minus L2. This is the second equation, and this we will keep it as the first equation. First equation. Now we divide. Now we will divide second equation by first equation. When we divide second equation by first equation, what is the second equation? R into s plus x divided by sx divided by, first equation is r by s is equal to, r plus s is equal to L2 into 100 minus L2 divided by L1 divided by 100 minus L1. So we can cancel out this and this. So this will become s plus x, s by x. So this equation will become 1 by sxx, this and this can get cancelled, r and x will get cancelled. So this will become s plus x. This will become s plus x divided by x. S plus x divided by x is equal to this L2 by L1 is equal to L2 by L1 into this will go on the top, that is 100 minus L1 divided by 100 minus L2, 100 minus L2, or this we can write it as s by x plus 1 is equal to L2 by L1 into 100 minus L1 divided by 100 minus L2, or s by x is equal to L2 by L1 into 100 minus L1 divided by 100 minus L2. So now we have to find the formula for x in terms of L1, L2 and s. So now we can write the formula for this. Therefore x, what is the value? We have to find out x. X will go here, and this one, L2 minus L1, this 1 will go here, minus 1. L2 s by x, or x is equal to s divided by L2 by L1 into 100 minus L1 divided by 100 minus L2 minus 1. This is the equation. This is the value of x. So this we have written as in terms of s, L1, L2. So as it is a formula for x is equal to in terms of L1 and s is, this is the value.